Very high quality flybarless control unit. It looks very nice. And the burning question I had was whether or not this would fit on here, because I knew long ways it was going to hang out too far, and you really don't want that. So I'm leaning towards installing it like this, and then that way the harness would be to the left, putting it closer to the receiver. Hopefully the wiring is long enough for all of the wires to reach the other wires, but this looks like this is going to be a really good placement for this flybarless control unit. And I have to do research for this mounting tape. It does have vibration analysis. You want these attached really well, because with the 3 axis on here, if this came loose, then the helicopter would be uncontrollable, you know, because, you know, if it's hanging down, it's going to interpret that as the helicopter's nose being down, and if you're level, it's going to throw everything out of whack. So that's it for this video. It's an exciting day, and I'm hoping that this turns out to be a very nice flybarless control unit for this helicopter. Again, this project has been very slow coming up with the money to order all this stuff. This one servo alone here cost $269.99. So that's this one plus 4 more on there. So that's a lot of money, and it took me a long time to save up to get all this stuff. So even if you get a helicopter, RC helicopter, for free, you know, it still costs a lot of money for these electronics. These flybarless control units are very expensive. I believe for the flybarless control unit and this extra mounting tape that it ordered with it, I believe it was $493 if I remember correctly. So hopefully I can get some time later on to delve into the installation of this. It's a matter of figuring out where to plug in all of the servos. That's the complicated thing. Knowing which lead to plug in to where. And it might be necessary to put the receiver further back on the helicopter so that the leads on here can actually reach the receiver. That's all I have for now, and once I start getting into the installation of some of this stuff, this is the first time I've really done a rebuild overhaul completely on my own, so there's going to be a pretty big learning curve, and you know, it's going to be a lot of trial and error. I'll be looking at my other helicopter, looking at some build threads by Carrie Shirley, and hopefully I can get this thing set up and flying. My goal was to get it flying by this spring. Spring's just a couple of weeks away, so far so good. It's a nice looking unit, and this is an exciting day. I will see you all on the next one.